Welcome to another episode of Dividend Investing Guys. Grab your favorite drink, sit down because this episode is all about drinking and getting paid for it. Before we start, let me show you a couple of easy things to remember when you are picking up your dividend stock. Is the payment ratio less than 60%? Is the dividend increasing every year? Is the company consistently profitable? Is the debt-to-equity ratio less than 1.50? And last but most important, is the company industry having future in next 15 years or will it go down like Hertz? I see we have a lot of new subscribers. Thank you so much for that. I would appreciate a lot if you smash living hell out of the like button and press that bell button so you can get notified when we release new video every week. Hope you guys have your favorite drink in the cup because we are starting with our first stock today. Ticker symbol PEP, industry, beverages, non-alcoholic, market cap, $180.339 billion, price, $128.93 USD, 5-year performance, up 37%, dividend yield, 3.11%, annual payout, $4.09, dividend growth, 48 years. We need approximately 1,000 shares of PEP to generate annually income of approximately $4,100. Ticker symbol KO. Industry, beverages, non-alcoholic. Market cap, $191.745 billion. Price, $43.57 USD. 5-year performance, up 11%. Dividend yield, 3.59%. Annual payout, $1.64. Dividend growth, 57 years. We need approximately 2,800 shares of KO to generate annually income of approximately $4,600. Before we get to last stock, I want to play you a video of my favorite stock picker. Peter Lynch is an American investor and mutual fund manager in Fidelity Investments. Grab your drink and listen to what he has to say.
I made 10 or 15 times my money in Dunkin' Donuts. Those are the kind of stocks I can understand. If you don't understand it, it doesn't work. This is the single biggest principle. And it bothers me that people are very careful with their money. The public, when they buy a refrigerator, they get a Consumer Reports, they buy a microwave oven, they do that. They ask people what's the best kind of radar range or what kind of car to buy. They do research on apartments. When they go on a trip to Wyoming, they get the mobile travel guide, or California. When they go to Europe, they get the Michelin travel guide. People will hear a tip on a bus on some stock, and they'll put half their life savings in it before sunset, and they wonder why they lose money in the stock market. And when they lose money, they blame it on the institutions and program trading. That is garbage. They didn't do any research. They bought a piece of junk. They didn't look at the balance sheet, and that's what you get for it. And that's what we were being driven to, and it's self-fulfilling. The public does terrible investing, and they say they don't have a chance. It's because that's the way they're acting. I'm trying to convince people there is a method.
My goal with this channel is to save your time, provide you with great stocks that I personally invest in, and watch their balance sheets. I hope you guys find value in them. If you do, please subscribe to this channel and help us grow and reach more dividend investors. Our last stock for today is ticker symbol SBUX. Industry, restaurants. Market cap, $85.671 billion. Price, $71.57 USD. 5-year performance, up 34%. Dividend yield, 2.17%. Annual payout, $1.64. Dividend growth, 10 years. We need approximately 2,800 shares of SBUX to generate annually income of approximately $4,600. January, PEP. February, SBUX. March, PEP. April, KO. May, SBUX. June, PEP. July, KO. August, SBUX. September, PEP. October, KO. November, SBUX. December, KO. If you are still waiting to start investing, use the link in description. Register on Robinhood app and get a free stock up to $200 in value. Watch our videos and let's get financial freedom together. Love you all. See you next week.